Good morning, students. So today I'm going to derive mirror formula. This topic is from chapter Ray Optics. So mirror formula, it is the relation between object distance u, image distance v, and focal length of the mirror. That formula or that relation is called mirror formula. That is 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. So this formula is called mirror formula. Going to derive it in case of concave mirror. So let now, this is a concave mirror. And let this axis called principal axis. P stand here, pole here. Let C stand here, center of curvature. F stand here, principal focus here. And let B have an object AB, extended object AB, which is placed on principal axis. Now a parallel ray which is coming from the object and which is parallel to principal axis, as it strikes to the aperture of this. So a parallel ray which is parallel to principal axis, this incident ray PD, as it strikes to the aperture of this concave mirror, it always passing through principal focus. So remember the rule that any ray which is parallel to principal axis, after reflection passing through principal focus always. Likewise, let another ray which is coming from the object and let which is passing through C, it goes like this way, strikes here and returns back. So any ray of light which is passing through C retrace its path, so strikes and return back. When these two reflected ray intersect, then at this point there is a formation of image. So image is formed A dash B dash, and it is of small size, and real inverted image is formed. Again here, from point D, draw a small normal. So DN be the normal drawn on the principal axis, like this way. Now see diagram carefully. Triangle ABC, similar with the triangle A dash B dash C here. These two triangles, that is ABC, similar with triangle A dash B dash C. Angle at point C is common here and they are same here. It means if the triangles are similar, in that situation a ratio of their side is same here. That is AB upon AC always equal to A dash B dash upon A dash C here. Or in short we can write that AB upon A dash B dash equal to here, that is AC upon A dash C. That first equation. Likewise, consider now another pair of triangle which is similar. So triangle here DNF, again similar with A dash B dash F here. At F angles are same here. It means if these two triangles are similar, then they can also be written, that is triangle now DNF similar with triangle A dash B dash F here. So A dash B dash F similar with the triangle DNF here. So again if they are similar, then a ratio of their side, that is DN upon NF always equal to A dash B dash upon A dash F here. Or in short we can write that DN upon, that is A dash B dash equal to now NF upon A dash F here. Since DN equal to here AB here, the heights are same here. DN parallel to AB, heights are same. It means DN equal to AB. Therefore, we can write instead of dn AB. So AB upon A dash B dash equal to NF upon A dash F here. Let second equation. By comparing first and second, say the first equation is AB upon A dash B dash equal to AC upon A dash C, and second equation is AB upon A dash B dash equal to NF upon A dash F here. So if you compare these two equations, we can write, so by comparing equation 1 and equation 2 we get, so if we compare we can write that AC upon A dash C can be written that is NF upon A dash F here. Again now going to use assumption here, since point N is very close to P, because of what, aperture of this concave mirror is very small, so this point N is very close to P, and we can replace N by P here. Therefore replace N by P here. So if we replace N by P, then we can write this equation that is AC upon A dash C can be written that is instead of N we can write now P, so PF upon A dash F here. Let third equation. Now again say going to use sign convention now. So using sign convention. So in sign conventions, all distances measured from pole here, whatever the distances, either left side or right side, these all are measured from pole here. And the now sign here, if we are measuring the distances opposite to the directions of incident light, then that distance is taken negative there. So in this situation, whatever the distances which are measured from pole here, either object distance, either image distance, or either focal length, or either radius of curvature, all comes in left hand side, that is opposite to the directions of incident light. So therefore these distances taken negative here. So here we know that from P to F here, the distance denoted with symbol small f, that is focal length. P to A dash B here, this distance, that is from here to here, this is called here V, small v, that is image distance. Likewise from point C to P, this distance is denoted by R, that is called radius of curvature here. Again P to A, AB is object here, so this distance from this point to distance, it is called object distance U here, and all are negative left hand side. So using sign convention, so first of all replace all the distances from pole here. So AC can be written now, that is writing here AC here, AC, see here AC, this AC can be written in terms of P, that is PA minus PC equal to AC. So AC equal to here PA minus PC. Now PA, P to A, the distance is object distance U, left hand side opposite directions of incident light, so take a negative here, so minus U, minus PC here, from P to C, this is the radius of curvature, again it is left hand side to the, or we can say that opposite to the directions of incident light, taken negative here, so negative becomes plus here. So AC now equal to minus U plus R here. Likewise A dash C here, this A dash C, it can be written A dash C equal to, see diagram now, A dash C in terms of P, that is PC minus PA dash equal to A dash C. So A dash C equal to PC minus PA dash. So PC, see here PC, P to C distance is radius of curvature R, left hand side R, that is opposite to the directions of incident light, that's by minus R, minus PA dash. So PA dash, that is A dash V dash is the size of image or we can say that this is the image distance from pole. It means this is V here, again left hand side to the, or we can say that opposite to the directions of incident light. Therefore it is again minus, so minus minus becomes plus, so denoted by V here. Likewise PF, that is distance between P and F, focal length denoted with small f and negative sign here. Again another is A dash F in this equation, that is A dash F can be written now. So A dash F equal to P A dash minus PF. So P A dash minus PF. So P A dash equal to here minus V minus PF, that is again minus F. So minus minus becomes plus here. It means we can write that is minus V plus F. So substituting these all values in this third equation, so AC can be written that is minus U plus R. So now equation 3 implies, so instead of AC going to write this minus U plus R upon A dash C can be written that is minus R plus V equal to here, that is PF equal to here minus F upon A dash F, that is minus B plus F. Since we know that radius of curvature is double of focal length, so R equal to F, substitute here. So minus U plus 2F upon minus 2F plus V equal to minus F upon minus V plus F by cross multiplying. So if we cross multiplying, we get UB minus UF plus into minus here. So minus here, that is 2BF and plus 2F square equal to here again minus plus, so 2F square and minus F plus V, that is minus VF. So 2F square cancel by 2F square, rest is that is UB minus UF minus 2BF, and this side it becomes positive VF equal to 0 here. So UV minus UF, this here, that is minus 2BF plus VF, we get here VF only equal to 0, divide by UVF. So UB upon UBF, UF upon UBF minus BF upon UBF, we get UB cancel by UB, we get here 1 by F minus UF cancel by UF, we get 1 by V, and here VF cancel by VF, we get here 1 by U here. Rearrange it. So 1 by F can be written 1 by V plus 1 by U, and this is the mirror formula. So relation between object distance U, image distance V, and focal length small f of the mirror called mirror formula, that is 1 by U plus 1 by V equal to 1 by F. So remember the step here. So steps are, first remember the diagram. So place object AB, say here on the principal axis, say beyond C here, then image always formed in between C and F, and it is a real inverted and small size. So in first step, find the triangle which are similar. So in this case ABC similar with A dash B dash C here, then we can write the side, means their ratio of the sides are always same here. Likewise in another pair D and F similar with A dash B dash F, again here in same manners we can form the equations here. Then in the another step, this point N is very close to P because of what aperture of the mirror is small, so replace N by P because all distances should be measured from the pole according to sign conventions. That's why we are replacing N by P here, and then use sign conventions. So then just simplify these and we obtain the expression for mirror formula. So revise this topic, important topic for examination point of view. Thank you.